singer Serani's current project, an album of piano-inspired songs, starting with a conspiracy theory.
Conspiracy theory! Them want to get the people them weary and cleary.
This album, you're going to hear a lot of, what the hell? I didn't know you could do this.
No Game singer Serani's long-delivered promise to drop new music finally arrives. His opening salvo, a departure from his usual stuff.
He's right here with Conspiracy Theory, featuring the great Bounty Killer and the great Agent Sasko. So it's a collaboration with the three of us, people that I've worked with over almost 2 decades. Me a bust shot, or all the way a bust shot on anybody where is within the 1% that is confusing the people and tricking us into believing that they are actually trying to do something good for us, when really and truly all we've seen is them trying to benefit themselves.
So why this need to talk about so-called conspiracy theories right now?
Well, I mean, it just came to me. I don't force what I write about. Like, you know, these kind of lyrics, you've never heard me sing anything like this before. Nobody has, you know, so I got the idea. In the midst of COVID, I have all this time on my hands. I'm on the piano every day, you know.
And you're not suggesting that COVID is a conspiracy theory, or you have doubts about that too?
No, I'm not suggesting that COVID is a conspiracy theory per se. What I'm not sure about is what the real reason of this is, you know what I mean? Is it man-made? Is it something that just come out of nowhere? I don't know, but it leads me to wonder.
Wonder what's got into Serani, sounding serious, exploring his social conscience, questioning injustice.
All of us had a different approach. My approach was definitely more going to the world in general. You know, if you notice, Bounty Killer's verse is definitely more on like straight government, Jamaica. We're going at you. Poor people go governor, Bounty Killer. And then Sasko was like hinting at things, and you have to be smart to understand what he's saying.
Look around, all you see is puppets here, puppets here.
I don't like injustice whatsoever. I have a line where I say, the highest education is not available to most men. And because of our ignorance, they use our ignorance to control us. You understand? So every single line was carefully written because I want these words to resonate with everybody, and I want people to be woke.
Yes, this is mine.
And you think that during the time of COVID-19,
there couldn't be a better time. I mean, people have a lot more time to listen.
2020, biological warfare, coincidental.
COVID-19, the big game changer. Nothing what it used to be, money tight.
I did a show in DC not too long ago. Came back, I quarantined. When I was there, if I took a picture with somebody, it's safe distance. I have on my mask at no time where any fan is allowed to touch me. There was barely anybody on the stage. Everybody was quite apart from me and a good distance away from me. The crowd now itself, it was a car fest. So you drive to the party. It's like a drive-in, like with a drive-in movie, it's like a drive-in party. So that's the only reason why I was interested in doing that kind of show. And the fact that I would like to get paid for once this year.
Well, oh, you are lucky down and you not sure about within. That means that you not see the gravity, the bigger picture.
Conspiracy Theory, the first whiff of an album he's made using a live band.
Let me tell you, most of the songs I started on my piano in my dining room. Like I literally didn't have to do anything. But my hands did it. The sound of the piano did it. Sometimes I have an idea for the drums, sometimes I have an idea for the guitar. We went in the studio and every single instrument was live.
This is mine. Conspiracy theory. Yes, this is mine.
I play the keys, so I know notes. I've never not been on key.
Conspiracy, but you is conspiring. Who I get the works done? Who I do the hiring?
I realize a lot of people are lazy. I'm not saying most people, but you know, a lot of people are lazy. So my thing is, COVID gives you all this free time.
So if so many people are lazy, what are they actually doing in this period of time then?
Well, I can tell you what I see some people doing. You know, like, you know I like coffee. Everybody know I like coffee. That's my favorite song right now. Lockdown. She did a
It's hard not
pretty
to
good
like
job.
it.
Well, anybody don't like it, them are wicked. Anybody don't like coffee are wicked. My two favorite artists right now is, outside of coffee obviously, is Iwater and Governor. They're doing pretty well in the midst of COVID. In terms of their releases, I love what they're doing.
And what are the notes that they're striking that are the right notes, you think?
Well, Iwater, being the newer artist, is just a natural. Boy bad. He no miss pan rhythm and he no miss timing and him lyrical, bad and just creative. You know, we just want to see a little bit more versatility, but I know that I'm a talented youth. Governor, I see myself as a storyteller, and that is what I like about Governor. Be a story the man again. I just like it well put together. Wicked voice, Governor, go on do your thing, youth.
It's difficult working with some of the new talent because their timing is off. They're off key, or what is it? Because I've heard that.
Some artists can't do without auto-tune, for example, and that to me right there kind of kill your show. Cause the minute you go up on the stage, or you open your mouth, you know, sound like your song. Everybody sound the same with auto-tune. You know, from auto-tune start, everybody just step on this auto-tune thing. Me can't tell the artists them different.
I know me feel so stressed, it's an argument.
Right, so the melody that I did right here, that's a part of the chorus.
Getting the best from his own voice didn't come easy.
It was harder for me to not be loud all the time, you know. I was just always like, come from me looking, it's just loud, you know. So it took me time. Before 4 years ago, it wouldn't have been possible for me to sing like this. My voice has grown, it's stronger, I have better control over my voice now. And then the chorus now. If I wake up in the morning and you're not there, you should know I miss you.
So Serani confident vocally.
And melody and production is the next level. I would say it's the best part of me so far.